Features video, Master Satellite Setup. In this video, we will highlight the changes made to the Master Satellite feature. Master Satellite is a tool that allows data changes that are made on a master scale to be automatically shared and updated on any satellite scales on that network. All you need to get started is firmware version 3.3.6 and at least 2 CL7200 scales. To get started, we need to make sure that both scales are on the same network. Check this using your WLAN settings. Whether through Ethernet or wireless, all scales on a master satellite setup need to be on the same network. Next, we need to change the service type for both scales. I'll be setting up just one satellite, but you can add up to 18 total. Using the 1911 menu on the master scale first. Change the service type to 1 for master and press the save key. Do the same for your satellite scale, but make sure it's set to 2 satellite. Now we need to verify or assign the IP address for each scale. DHCP is not recommended for a master satellite setup. Use the 1913 menu to manually assign an IP address, first for the master scale. We know by our subnet mask here that we just need to match our gateway and change only the last 3 numbers. Your setup might be different. We will make our master scale IP 012. Make sure this IP address isn't used by another device or a scale. When done, press the save key. Do the same for your satellite scales. We'll make ours 013. With our network and IP information done, we are ready for the next step. So next on our satellite scale, we will be entering a remote IP address. This is the IP address for your master scale. You must do this for all satellite scales. We already know our IP address, so just enter it here. Then enter your port number for your network. Then press save. Now on our master scale, we need to link and enter our satellite scale IP address. The 1960 menu allows us to add, display, and delete satellite scales. Select New Edit. Now we need to assign each scale a reference number and then enter an IP address for each satellite scale. Also, remember to confirm your port number is entered here. Then, scroll down and make sure that you select 1 for yes to start using this satellite scale. Select yes if you would like to begin sending data immediately. Press the save key. Do the same step for each new satellite scale. Now for both scales, we need to make sure PLU data can be sent using the 1920 menu. Page down once and locate Send Changed PLU. This needs to be set to yes. This allows your store data and PLU data to be sent immediately. With that done, we are ready to check the connection status of our satellite scales. Using the 1962 menu, we can see the status of all our satellite scales. If everything was set up correctly, you should see 100%. For this video, I only had one scale available, so I was demonstrating master and satellite on the same scale. If you see 99%, try first waiting a few moments for the scale to send. This number represents transmitted data, not a connection status. So occasionally it will take a few minutes. Normally, if set up correctly, the data should transmit instantaneously. And if this is 100%, you should see all the updates on your new scale. If you see 0% or a very high number, then a mistake was made or there is a network connection issue. More on that later. You can also use the 1960 menu to delete older satellite scales. If your updated data did not send after a few minutes, there is a master force download option. Use the 1950 menu to copy the data. Select the data that you'd wish to send and press the Enter key. You can also use this menu to send category, page, and keypad changes, as well as updated clerk information. Once sent, you should get the confirmation message shown on the screen. With all of your data sent through the 1950 menu, we can also now test the instant transfer by editing a PLU price. On your master scale, select a PLU that you wish to test. We are going to use the change unit price to make a quick price adjustment. You should see the updated price instantaneously on the satellite scale once the changes are saved. Now call up the updated PLU on the satellite scale. We can see that the price transmitted properly. If you don't see the changes, try checking the connection status like we did earlier, and then use the master force download to send the data. The master satellite feature is a very useful tool if you like to make a lot of PLU price changes on the scale instead of using the software. This allows you to make changes on just one scale and send them instantly. If you have more questions about this feature, please visit our features page on our website. This page includes helpful links, troubleshooting guides, and downloadable PDF instructions. If you have more questions about this feature, please leave a comment. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to be notified when we post new videos. Thank you.